In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add file upload in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the upload field and how to place it on your form so respondents can securely send files like documents, images, or PDFs. Start by heading to jotform.com and logging into your account. From your dashboard, open an existing form you want to update or create a new form if you're starting from scratch. Either way, once the form opens, you'll land directly inside the form builder. This is the main workspace where you add and arrange everything your respondents will see, and it's designed to be very visual and intuitive. On the left side of the builder, look for the panel labeled Add Form Element. It typically opens by default, but if it's minimized, just click it to expand. Inside, you'll notice several tabs along the top, including Basic, Payments, and Widgets. For the Upload feature, make sure you're on the Basic tab. This tab includes all the core fields like name, email, short text, and the file upload field we're about to use. Now scroll down through the basic elements until you find File Upload. It's easy to spot with a cloud and arrow icon. Click it once to place it on your form, or drag and drop it exactly where you want it to appear. The field will instantly show up on your canvas with a simple button that respondents can use to browse and attach files. At this point, the upload field is part of your form and ready to collect files. Position it where it makes the most sense in your flow, typically after any instructions or questions that tell people what to submit. Keeping it close to related questions helps users understand why they're uploading and what you expect. If your form already includes headings or descriptions, consider briefly clarifying acceptable file types or any guidelines right above the field so everything is clear at a glance. This keeps your respondents confident and reduces incomplete or incorrect submissions. The beauty of adding a file upload field is that it streamlines gathering resumes, screenshots, receipts, assignments, or any supporting materials without needing separate emails. It also organizes everything inside your Jotform submissions so you can review, filter, and manage attachments alongside each response. That's it. You opened your form, confirmed you were in the form builder, accessed the form elements panel on the basic tab, and added the file upload field. Save your work and you're all set to start collecting files directly through your form. Thanks for watching and happy form building.